Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our topic of discussion is related to dowry deaths or suicides. We have already released a video on the topic how to avoid suicide. Viewers can see that video. In recent time, we have been hearing many such cases from the southern states. They are claiming that they have got the highest kind of education. They are holding great degrees in their favor, and they have got all the knowledge and wisdom. But those women are forced to commit suicide. That means they don't know the value of life, the significance of life. They have never imagined in their life. The education system is to be blamed for this. What is the value of the human dignity is never taught in any school or college or anywhere else. Hence, people think that having a degree at hand, they have got everything in life. Also, even though they have got all the avenues of life like money, power, position, name and fame, everything, even then they are not satisfied with their own life. Even animals do not commit such things. But human beings, they claim that they are the most intelligent and supreme being on the earth. But their acts indicate otherwise. We are to go very deeply into ourselves to find out the reason for such happenings. People are generally interested in the outside life, but there exists an inner human being. They never give any value to such a being. They want to remain inwardly poor, even though they are outwardly rich. They are always inwardly poor. Now, how to remove that poverty? They themselves they don't know. So, in their life, there is no dignity for human beings. They are possessive, violent, angry, etc. So, the reason for such happenings is psychological. So, if you remove all those psychological reasons, certainly such events will never take place in our life. Particularly by having those degrees will not solve our problems. We as a human beings are to learn a lot. Simply knowing reading and writing and a few formulas will not give wisdom. Even who is a truly educated persons, those who are holding those high degrees, they themselves they don't know. They don't know how to behave with other human beings, how to treat others, they don't know. So we can't expect from those people's goodness in their life. So natural consequence is this, that they will force others to commit suicide. Even those who are not in a position to commit suicide, they are also dragging their life into the graves. In their life, there is no celebration. There is no happiness. They are leading such a kind of life. They are having illusionary ideas. So, life is empty for them. For that, the knowledge and wisdom about the inner being is needed. Now, how do we get such a kind of knowledge and wisdom? For that, a new mind with awareness and sensitivity is needed. We all know that the life on the earth is not permanent. It is transient. So, what we have got only is our own life. We have told many times that life is very precious, sacred and divine. So, if we learn how to respect life, these kind of incidents will be avoided. Then only we can claim that we are intelligent people. What is intelligence? One who knows who he is or herself is. Such a person is only intelligent. Simply assuming that having degrees will deliver from all the illusions is idiotic. So let us not have such ideas. Let us try to know our inner being and be free from all those illusions of life. In the forthcoming video, once again we will come up with another one good topic.